what's up, people? Welcome to Literary Food Fest of 2025, and we have Jitin sir here. So, what are you eating?
I don't know the name of this dish. Anyways, it tastes
Is
good,
it
right?
nice?
It's nice. It's nice.
I think it is from Feast of Fiction. We have KJ here, and then we have the English honors, my juniors. My juniors making proud. Can you all please explain me your dish immediately, very quick? Can you all give us a small gist of what your
Absolutely.
yes?
So we have three palettes that we have tried to put forward: sweet, spicy, umami. This is all spicy. I mean, except this is sweet because this is from Emma by Jane Austen. And then
Crispy
everything
potatoes
is
are from The
mentioned-
Secret Garden by Francis, and the classic deviled eggs are by The Secret Life of Bees by Sue Monkids. So this all dishes belong to 1964 times. They used to use them for the potlucks at the gatherings to share food and love.
And then we go like
We have our coordinator calling us. So yeah, after a short commercial break, we had to lift the garbage bin, but then we are back. So we have global street foods. Can you all quickly explain? Yes,
These are
churros.
churros and chocolate sauce. It's caramel custard. Popsicle, baba bun,
And these are JP English, B section. And yeah, can you all give me something to taste?
Yeah, I just got the bun.
It's really delicious. I think I've had something like this from RKC.
churros. That is the chocolate. This one?
We have the Anchors Association Secretary joining us.
How can I give this? You can do this.
So how was it, Caleb?
Very nice. Should probably taste everything. This chocolate is very good. Just Martin. Tasting. Oh my god.
It's really good, guys.
I think it's really good.
It's really good.
Let the best team win. But anyways, congratulations. I really like your stall.
Thank you, guys.
So next up, we have Divine Delights. Yes, and these are second year JOEN. So what do you all have? Just the names.
We have pickle bites. There's pickle bites. Yeah, there. We have pickle bites. We have big jam. And then we have dates dipped in chocolate dipped with peanut butter.
butter.
Yeah, and then we have fruit bowl that is fruit custard. We have bun. And then we have salsa made with honey, olives, and peanut butter.
Can we simply have a taste?
Yes, sure.
Do we do it like this?
போதும் எனக்கு வேணாம்.
Can I have this?
Yes, yes.
Thank you so much. Wait, is this cheese?
Yes, cheese. You can use the Italian salad.
I think this is one of the most favorite dishes of the entire stall. So all the best to Divine Delights. And here we have our Tamil hero, Alvin sir. Alvin sir is buying from the Valentine Ventures. Excuse me. Can we take an interview? Oh, he's our Cupid for today. Can you make like a swirl? Can you turn? Yes. That's Blessing from third year. She's my classmate. And this is Bettina. She's not. Can we have some taste, Priyanka? So what is this called, Grace? Can you please explain?
It's a red 20, sir.
It's a red velvet cake made by Grace. So she bakes and all. She's my classmate, and I'm proud to tell that I'm the secretary and I'm making a first taste of a cake. It's really good. Victor, taste it with the cream. Taste it with the cream. How is it?
Damn, bro. That's good. That's good.
So I
That's good,
think,
guys.
I think I really like this. I might take this, but I pray that my classmates win. And firstly, let the best team win. Thank you so much for the cake. Yo, we have our mixing ladies. So can you all please explain me what your dish is exactly? She's Jasmine. She is Tasorin, and she's Chichi, the secretary of the Writers Association.
So our theme is the Silk Road, and we incorporated all the spices used during that time. The first one is the chicken soup. Doesn't have an origin though, because while traveling, the traders, they used to find meat easily. That's how this thing came into existence. And then biryani is the most famous spicy dish.
It's right up, but I agree on it.
Yeah.
It's good.
And
Can we like taste? Can we taste, madam?
you want to try the food?
Please, I want to try this. Yes.
No.
No?
This is for display. We'll give you another one.
Okay. So we have the pretty ladies giving us. This is Shivani,
Hi
my co-secretary.
The cake is actually really good, bro.
Which cake?
The red velvet.
Better cheesecake, no?
I want cheesecake.
We have a small delay.
You have to let it sit for a while.
Okay, can we come in the end and taste
Okay.
it? Okay, so we are going to visit all the stalls and then come for our hibiscus tea. Thank you so much, ladies. Have a great day. Yes.
Joshua vlogger.
Joshua vlogging.
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
So next up, we have our beloved teachers in Grims and Gothic. We have Jitin sir, we have Rekha sir, we have Imbiraj sir, and Akshila ma'am is there, and this is the team, the entire team. Alistair is the team head, and then we have Adil.
Dracula.
Adil, yes. So can you all immediately explain what your dishes are?
So these are goblin skulls.
Yes.
These are bat wings, and those are decapitated raccoons.
Okay.
And the drink is milk mixed with fresh meat.
Okay, if you don't mind, can we like taste some?
Of course, they're
Yes.
all having
Okay, so first off, let's taste this.
too sweet for human taste.
I think it's really beautiful. Can we have another taste by Caleb?
Impressive.
Neatest.
Hey, too good. Too good.
What mushroom?
Yes. Do we have like a plate? Okay. These are mushrooms. They call it the skull.
Goblin skulls.
Goblin skull.
Very good.
It's good.
Hey, it's like barbecue's potato that they serve, no? With the sauce. It's exactly like that. Yeah.
You want samosa?
I'll have it.
Can we taste that?
We'll leave, okay? We'll have it.
No. Okay. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Alistair. Let the best team win. We pray that you all will win. Thank you. Your name, sorry?
Aridya.
So you're Ridya from Payan third year?
Yes.
Yeah. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to vlog
Yes,
and tell people how you're, so thank you so much. Will you give us something to taste?
No.
Yeah. So we get that.
Got rejected plus.
Hello, Joshua.
These are my favorite juniors. Can you all immediately just explain what everything is?
British balls from Harry Potter. That's made of Oreo and cream cheese. Chocolate and Charlie That is a mocha base, coffee and chocolate flavored cake with milk chocolate ganache, and that's apple crumble from Little Riding Hood, and that is gingerbread man from Hansel and Gretel.
Okay, if you all were to give your best dish, what is it? Your best.
Teacher's favorite.
Can we taste some?
Yes. I think this is colorful, so I might choose it.
I want British balls. Actually, I can't choose.
What did he say?
Literally so good.
I don't know how to say that thing. That's why.
I have no idea how to pronounce it. Ginger,
nutmeg. Yeah, it's good. I've never tried something like this, but then yeah.
You should try this. It's a melted chocolate. Okay, all of it.
Kind of melted.
Yeah, should I open it for you?
Yeah, open it.
Interesting flavor.
Yeah, I've never had something like this.
Gingerbread.
See, our stall is
Shivani.
unique.
Apple crumble. You want to try apple crumble?
No, I want you all to sell this.
No, we have another.
Okay, a small piece.
No, we have. No, yeah.
This is the first time I'm having gingerbread actually in my life.
That's very sweet. Haven't?
What is that?
It's Oreo cream cheese, and we made cream cheese from scratch. And the chocolate
Damn.
ganache.
Good stuff. How much are you signing up for?
50.
51 5.
1.5.
One side.
It was full. And then it got
I remember.
sold out.
1.5.
Yeah.
That was very good. Thank you so much. Who made this?
Good marketing.
Actually, a lot of food.
Impressive
lot of
food choices.
Yeah.
Better than the canteens in Kristu Jayanti College.
Let's go. Oh, I can't say who, right?
Bangalore.
You're a secretary.
Yeah, so I can't say it. Even you secretary.
Anything you wanna say, guys?
Okay, so this is Desert Heaven, guys. I hope you like it. And it's good. We are really happy with this work we put through.
Alright. It's a more nice.
Okay.
It's like badly nice.
Badly nice.
Yeah, it's like
Nice?
badly nice. Yeah.
What does badly nice mean?
It's like when I tell badly nice, it's like it's a good way. Like they say she's a badly good girl.
Ah.
Like she's hot and nice,
Whoa,
hot
whoa.
and sweet.
No.
Yeah. Do you wanna taste?
No. I'm done.
Oh, she's not even
already
nice. Yeah, something like
Sugar rush.
Yeah, it's not sugar, bro.
that. No, I think we have too much of sugar, but thank you so much.
Want a taste?
Danny, but anyway, I think y'all are on the list. So let's hope for the best.
Fingers crossed.
Thank you so much.
You can't reveal like that, Joshua.
I told they're on the top.
Okay.
On my list.
Okay.
Yeah, everybody's on the list. Yeah, everybody's on the list. So how is it, Caleb, until now?
It's been great. Wonderful dishes, different dishes, variety of dishes. On to the next stall we
So
go.
we have food and tables.
My
very
class,
detailed.
my class,
Yeah.
my classmates.
Third year JOE. So we are vlogging for the college. So can you all quickly explain what your dishes are?
Okay, so basically we have bread over here because most of the fairy tales are European descent, and breads are a staple breakfast in fairy tale in Europe. And then we have pancakes, which is from Hansel and Gretel, where the witch feeds them to fatten them up. So we have maple syrup pancakes. This is punch from Mad Hatters called cherry blood. And then we have spaghetti and potato balls, which is the modernized version of Harry Potter. And then we have cookies from Rapunzel, and the first thing you think of when you think of fairy tales is like, cream, cooked cakes and stuff, so that's it.
So what is your best dish?
Best. I think spaghetti and meatballs is selling a lot.
Meatballs.
No, potato balls.
It's not in a dream, no?
Got out.
Anyways, I think you guys are on the list. Congratulations and
Let's go.
no, I'm telling you, my
On
list.
his list.
My list.
You know what? My list, you guys are first. Don't worry.
Okay.
Bye.
Don't put my dumb
Yeah, we have put it. It's a vlog. It's a full vlog. It's 12-minute vlog.
Serial Phyllis, third year Payan. This is Hamsini. She's my college friend, and yes, y'all can you all quickly explain what you'll have?
Okay, so our theme is basically dishes based on TV shows and sitcoms. This is cheesecake from Friends, where Rachel and Chandler have a fight and they eat the cheesecake from the floor. And this is from Two Broke Girls, Max's homemade cupcakes. And this is Croquembouche from MasterChef Australia. Where in this one episode where they make a croquembouche. It's basically donuts with sugar syrup. And this is the Squid Game Dalgona candies.
I heard a lot of people were telling good comments about it. They were like, y'all should try the cheesecake. But anyway, thank you. So, can we try Dalgona?
Yeah, you can try it.
You can get a
That's good.
Thank you.
Hi, KJ.
Hello.
So we have teachers on the stall. We can't really push them, and barged in, but we shall wait. Hi KJ, how is the food fest?
It was really nice.
You're enjoying it?
Yeah, I sold a lot.
Okay. These are my personal favorite, my juniors, third years English honors. So can you all quickly explain? Yeah, so they are Arabian Nights. So can you all quickly explain what everything is? Yeah.
So, of course, our theme was Arabian Nights, and we didn't want to like just limit it to one part of the Arabian culture. We wanted something that a common man would have, like a fatoush salad, something that a sailor or a pirate would have, that's like pita bread and hummus, or something very grand that a king would have, and that would be like a naan, a mutton curry, falafel.
So how many of y'all are from Saudi or Oman?
We have one. There's one person, and she taught us about the culture in like 5 days, and that's how we're here
Is it
today.
nice dressing sense? Is it like to cover people? It looks good, right?
Yeah, I think y'all have covered the cosplay and the dishes, and I think on my list y'all are on top. And let's pray the
Experiences.
Yeah, we got some.
Original food.
Something else.
Original food. And this is original bahut.
So what is your best dish here?
Definitely the mutton curry. It was a lot of work and effort and sweat and blood put into it. Thanks.
I wouldn't want to disturb the dishes because it looks nice. Or else I would have liked.
It's a metaphor, bro. It's
Good things.
Hey, suppose eat, take a small bite.
small
bro.
bite.
Oh, small bite.
Basic manner, Joshua.
So what is it made of?
It is coffee. It's coffee itself.
This coffee.
Brew. He's from Oman. He's from Oman.
He told us.
Joshua, brew instant coffee.
I don't like dates. I don't like fake.
She never went on one, so don't worry.
This one?
It's for refreshment and medicine.
Is that cold?
No, yeah, it's not cold, it's like room temperature. It's sweet.
Oh, it's sweet. I like it. I like that. That's good.
Anyways, thank you so much, guys. So next up, we are. Therein are the yes, so that's a minus, that's Spoon's picnic. We have second year pioneer. So we have second pioneer, and yeah. So can I quickly explain what your dishes are?
So this is the Happy on Birthday cake from Alice in Wonderland, and it's for any day except your birthday.
Okay.
And these are Dora cakes from Doraemon, Robo cookies from Disco Company.
And these are the grey stuff from Beauty and the Beast.
So what is something that you all have made?
I mean everything.
Okay, what is your best dish? Your best go-to. Can I have like a very small piece? A very small piece?
Already we are sugar rushing up.
Yeah, a very small piece. No, very small. You don't have to raise the cake.
Give me a spoon.
Here you go.
Thank you so much. So,
At least you can message that you come, right?
you like Black Forest?
No, it's Choco Vanilla. It's not Black Forest.
I like it. I like it.
Not Black Forest? No, it's Black Forest. It's Choco Vanilla. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's good.
So we're getting points,
Not
right?
too sweet, right?
It's not too sweet. It's very minimal. It's very proper. I think people would enjoy the entire cake also. It doesn't feel like a birthday cake. Victor, do you want to taste? Yeah, it's shuttle. Do you want to taste?
You should try.
So now, y'all can start buying the cakes from them. They'll do a lot.
Yeah, she's buying it.
So we have Regal Banquets. This team joined in last, but they were very interested. So we had to give regal banquets. Can I quickly explain what?
Yeah, actually our theme is regal banquet. It's all about royalty. So we are presenting the royal food of India. Like this is bhopa doi. It's from West Bengal. It's a sweet dish of West Bengal. This is Maharaja Bhog Thali. It's from Rajasthan. Okay, and this is Thandai, Banaras famous drink Thandai. But without thanda.
So what is thanda? I'm from south, so I do not know what exactly is that. You know,
Fix your mood.
So basically, you add alcohol as well.
Yeah,
during
the
Holi.
You should have
Can I?
It's in cameras, secretary.
I will do this for you outside the car.
Can I have this small piece? Yeah,
please,
just a very small piece. Don't waste the entire thing, just a very small piece. So what is this called? Muba. Bhupadu.
What is that?
This is Bengali sweet.
Like mixed
I like mishti.
It's curd.
Yeah, it's curd and milk. Steamed curd and milk.
It's like.
Did you like it? Indian version of cheese. Yeah.
Yeah, kinda. It feels like the lassi. The lassi,
Thickened
solid
lassi.
type. Yeah, thickened lassi. Do you want to taste?
No,
it?
no.
Why?
I'm not. No.
See the review.
So yeah.
For my look also.
You look very pretty. 10 on 10.
I take it.
I think you guys have done, crazy work in a very limited time. I would like to congratulate every one of y'all. And let's see which team wins. You know, y'all have done your best. Deep down, you also know that. Let's hope for the good night. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Bye bye, guys.
So yeah, that was the end of the Literary Food Fest 2025, and it was such a joy watching so many of my juniors. And this will be my last year. Oh, y'all should see this once. I can't hold this. This is Ayush Bliss, the basketball player. Y'all should watch this, okay? Okay, so that's our personal handshake. I want you to buy, okay? I'm seeing around here for sure. So yeah, we are coming to the end. We are coming to the end of this food fest, but we have a lot of crowd here. We have great people coming in, a lot of teachers coming in and stuff. So y'all can watch the crowd. This is Edlin, and that's Athena who has helped us with the props. I didn't see you, so I'm not mentioning you on here. So yeah, this is the entire food fest, and this is my co-secretary Shivani, and we'll be signing off for this year's food fest. Hopefully next year people come and invite us, and if they do, we'll be coming back. These are my classmates. These are Bettina, this is Abhinav, this is Valentina, this is Varun, this is Blessing, this is Alina, and that's our teacher Steffi ma'am. Yeah, she's in charge of Instagram and she's a great teacher. Yeah. So we'll be signing off, and I would like to introduce you to
The videographer.
the man, the videographer, my personal champion, and thank you so much.
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof.